In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create word art in Google Slides, including custom gradient colors. Let's get started by jumping into Google Slides. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Google Slides website. If you're not already logged in, take a moment to sign into your Google account. This will give you full access to your files and ensure that your work is saved automatically. Once you're on the Google Slides homepage, you'll see options to create a new presentation. You can either start with a blank presentation or select from a variety of templates offered by Google. For our purposes today, let's go ahead and click on blank presentation. This will provide us with a clean slate to work with and focus on creating beautiful word art. With our blank presentation ready, look towards the top menu bar and find the insert option. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select word art. This is where the magic really starts to happen. A text box will appear, prompting you to type in the text you'd like to transform into word art. Go ahead and enter your desired text, then press enter on your keyboard or click outside the text box. You'll now see your text in a larger font on the slide. Here's where customization gets fun. To truly make your word art stand out, let's add some custom gradient colors. Click on the word art text to select it. Then navigate back to the top menu bar. Locate the paint bucket icon, which represents your fill options, and click on it. You'll see a variety of color options, including the choice to create a gradient. Select gradient to open up a new set of colors. From here, hit custom to start creating a unique gradient. You can choose up to 4 different colors to create a smooth transition effect across your word art. Simply click to add or adjust the color stops and select the hues that best match your design or presentation theme. Feel free to experiment with linear or radial gradients to see which suits your creative vision best. Adjusting the angle and placement of the gradient can also produce different visual effects. Take your time to explore these options until you're satisfied with the outcome. Once you're happy with the look of your gradient, click OK to apply it. And there you have it. A wonderful piece of word art complete with custom gradient colors. Remember, word art can be resized, rotated, and moved just like any other object within Slides, giving you even more control over the final presentation look. You can also combine multiple word art elements to create titles, headings, or decorative accents for your slides. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and easy to follow. Don't forget to save your work and share your creations with others. With a little practice, you'll be able to make professional and visually stunning presentations using word art in Google Slides. Hall AP presenting.